Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open egg.
Surprise, eh?
Yeah.
Surprise. Actually, it's a capsule toy.
There's
Let's have a close up of all of them first. See what we got. We got what?
Oh, there's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
The first one is what?
Lightning McQueen?
Yeah. The second one.
Angry Bird.
Yeah.
And then the third one is Captain America.
Yeah.
Paw Patrol, Minion, Paw Patrol.
You love
There's
Paw
2
Patrol,
more,
right?
no.
You love Paw Patrol,
Let's
right?
open the McQueen.
Yeah.
Because it's already opened. I just opened it. Now we don't need the trash. How do we open this?
I don't know.
Because I popped it open. We got
You hit the
a
camera,
bouncy
man.
ball
Yeah, bouncy ball.
with some extra jelly. I'll pull it out. I pulled the extra jelly out. And these candies. But these candies are actually very good. But I'm not going to eat it in camera.
Yeah, save you your friends, right?
Yeah.
Your classmates.
I give
What
one
else?
to next door.
You got some sticker or is it fryer? Just fryers.
Yeah. Oh, I know what to. You can put the ball in here and then you bounce it in it. You do like this, because the flyer says it. Look.
Can you show us the fryer?
Oh, you throw the ball and then you catch it.
Who is talking? Somebody calling us?
Yes. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. Guys, what's next? Let's open one of each of these. No, just open one.
Which one?
Meenie Miney Moe, catch the tiger in the toe. Wincy,
Which one?
wincy, let it go. Me, Meenie Miney Moe. Gonna open the Paw Patrol one.
Can I see?
Paw Patrol, itchy Paw Patrol, Troll. Let's open it. Why do they call it Paw Patrol?
Because of the paw. This is my paw.
Why do they call it Patrol?
Because they are kind of police. Dog police.
What does Patrol mean?
Trying to take care of something. Look
Paw
after something.
Patrol.
Well, we got a patrol, road patrol, highway patrol. The people who patrol the street most likely are the police, sheriff, or constable. In British they call it constable. In England they call it police constable. I'm going to have a surprise on inside.
We're not gonna pop it up anymore. We got Chase.
What's that?
What is this? I don't know. Just toy. Oh, we got more candy. More food candy. Got the flyer.
It's not
we
much.
got ticker.
Oh, that's the toys, right?
We got a sticker.
That's the only toys inside. What's the name of that pal? What's the name of that character?
Chase.
Chase.
He's the police dog. We got some Paw Patrol stickers.
The sticker or just a fire? Is a sticker? Sure.
Yeah. Look, let me peel it off. Yep, I'm sure it's a sticker because it could peel off.
Can I see?
You want to peel off one? No?
Stick it on the face?
Why?
No, I don't know why you want to peel it. What else you like?
These are stickers, I'm sure. I'm going to put it back now.
Yeah.
This is actually a tattoo. If you stick it on for 10 seconds, you peel it off, and then you will have a tattoo on your face. Okay, so 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10, 9, 8. 1. Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a big thumbs up, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. And if you want to see us, the sticker peel off, but we peel it off like this. 3, 2, 1. Bye! Look at this, so cool, right?
What's
next? Let's open Meenie Miney Moe. We got 2 stickers. In the video before video, we just discovered that we did not see the sticker. And the Paw Patrol, the last video, we just saw this sticker. So now let's do Meenie Miney Moe. Meenie Miney Moe. Catch the tiger in the toe. Wincy, let it go. Meenie Miney Moe. We're gonna open the Minion here, the show of the Minion curse of fate. Let's open on, 'cause are you a Minion? 'Cause I'm a Minion. 'Cause I am a Minion. I already see the sticker. Got another the same toy. We got this toy. This kind of toy the same. Got candy. Got
What's that sticker?
yes, sticker. Where's the sticker zone? Okay, the sticker
Oh, you
zone.
can give away the sticker. You have so many stickers.
And we got the flyer. So which one did we get? Oh, we got this one. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So where's the subscribe button? And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. And what is next from Audrey channel? Egg opener. So let's Meenie Miney. Meenie Miney Moe. Catch a tiger in the toe. In the toe. Incy Lincy. Let it go. Meenie Miney Moe.
Which one? That's what?
Captain America.
Oh,
Show it to you.
yeah.
The back has no fingers.
Do you watch the Avenger movie with Captain America?
I only watch a little bit. I don't watch Avengers anymore. I watch YouTube. I watch other YouTubers. I feel like it's a ball.
Yeah, maybe. A bouncing ball again.
Because I shaked it.
Yeah, I hear the sound. It's a bouncing ball.
Yep, it has to be a bouncy ball. Yep. We got
Candy
a Hulk
again.
bouncing ball. Got more candy.
Yeah, you can give it to your classmate.
We got a Hulk bouncy ball.
Okay. And a sticker.
We got Marvel sticker.
And of course the fire.
And then, of course, we got the flyer. What the? Oh. Look.
What's that?
The
Oh,
how much points if you get all of these? You win! You need 35 points is the highest. So I get 4 is the highest. But we don't have that one. We only have Captain America. So, bye. I'm gonna go slow motion. So, bye, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook. and follow us on Instagram.
You are Captain Audrey.
Because this punch you. I'm gonna, if I slip, yeah! So I need this first. Okay, so bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us a big thumbs up, like it on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. So if I do like this, this should be a bullet. I can blast it at you and this would fly away, but one already is on the floor. So bye guys, what is next? Let's do the Meenie Miney Moe.
There's only 2 left.
If you do pick this one first, it's Paw Patrol again. If you pick this one first, Angry Bird. Let's do the Angry Bird because we already done one Paw Patrol, and then we can do the Angry Bird because we got 2 Paw Patrol. We saved the last Paw Patrol for last. Okay, guys. Can you talk anything, cameraman?
I'm looking at your Angry Bird surprise.
So hard to open.
Yeah, it's quite hard to open. Which kind of capsule you like? The really egg-shaped capsule or this kind of cylinder capsule? Oopsie.
I'm supposed to do it.
Candy?
Candy?
Yeah, you want a candy, kid?
I don't. Oh, it's still like the Marvels one again. Look. If you get all of these, then I got the Angry Bird one. So
What's that?
Yellow Bird. Where's my stickers? Oh yeah, it's right here. Oh, we got 3 stickers. The logo
Where's the
sticker
Angry Bird? Where's the Angry Bird?
here. Then we got the stickers. We got the logo, the green pig, Angry Bird, the red bird, and the yellow bird. We just got the yellow bird, and I just see something on the floor. So we're gonna pick that up later. So bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs